Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, today we are going to do practice book. Okay, we will be doing practice book and we will do chapter 1 of the practice book, that is articles. I can see that children are still coming. Only 20 participants are there. Children, you should be punctual to class. If 9 o'clock the class starts, you should be ready 1 or 2 minutes before only. We cannot afford to waste time. Anyway, let's start. So
We are going to do practice book today.
yes, practice book. I have written in WhatsApp that today we are going to do practice book. Are you ready with your books, children? You should have a pencil in your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
So that when I ask you to write anything, you should write there. As I am doing the exercises, you will also be doing it. Keep a pencil with you, pencil and eraser with you, and be ready with your books. Now, children, you must have noticed that there is some change in the routine. Now only 2 classes will be coming at a time. That is, which class are there? G and H. Only G and H will be joining at 9 o'clock. So now I can give you more attention. Are you all ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. Now the first topic which we are going to do in practice book is articles. Are you familiar with articles? What are articles?
Yes, ma'am.
What is article?
Ma'am, articles are used before nouns.
Yes, they are used before noun. And what are they? Example?
Ma'am, a, and the.
Yes, a, and the. Now children, a and an, these are indefinite article and the is definite article. Now, if I say a ball, what does it mean? Any ball.
Ma'am, a. Yes, ma'am.
A girl, any girl. But if I say the girl, that means I am talking about
Particular girl.
particular girl. Very good. Yes, I'm talking about a particular girl. So I will use the girl. I can say the girl who studies in class 7G stood first. Now, the girl means I'm talking about a particular girl who studies in class 7G. If I say a girl in 7G stood first in the whole section. Still, children are coming. Please, please. Be fast. Okay, so I will read a passage to you and you will see that how the articles have been used. I met a boy. Now, a boy, because we are talking about this boy for the first time. So it is a boy. Children, mute yourself. Some sound is coming. Some sort of sound is coming, which is disturbing the class. Amisha, Ashish Raj, mute yourself. Ashish Raj, mute yourself. Ashish Raj, please mute yourself. Yes. Okay, now it's okay. So I met a boy. The boy was crying. Now I met a boy. That means any boy I met. Now the boy was crying. Who is crying here? The one whom I met. Why? Why did I use the in the second sentence?
Ma'am, because you are referring. Ma'am,
Yes,
because we are referring to a particular boy.
yes, I'm referring to a boy about whom I have told. I met a boy. Now, a boy, this a boy I'm talking about. So I'm saying the boy was crying. I walked up to him and asked him the reason. He told me that the moon. Now, all the what nouns have the in front of them? Proper
Ma'am,
noun.
definite. No.
Proper noun. Yes. The moon, the sun.
Ma'am, all are proper nouns.
Yes, the moon was not bright and the weather was not too fine. Now, children, proper noun does not mean that you don't write the in front of your name or any girl's name or boy's name. You don't use the in front of name. But other things like moon, sun, Ramayan, all these we say use proper the, because we are talking about a yes.
Ma'am, because we are talking about a particular boy.
Yes, we are talking about that particular thing. Yes, the moon was not bright and the weather was not too fine. He had sat by the Kaveri. Now, this is the name of the river for hours, but had not been able to find a single person to help him reach the fort on top of the hill. He had to reach there as he had to meet the magician. Now, you can notice and the articles, and the articles, and articles are used, always used before a noun. A boy. Now, a boy, that is common noun. The moon, this is proper noun. A person, common noun. The magician. Now, let's do the worksheet 2. Are you having a pencil in your hand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
be ready with the pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, father. Now, one thing more I would like to tell you, how to differentiate whether you have to use a or an. Now, this I have not told you. A and an, how to differentiate where to use a and where to use an. Now, an is used whenever there is a vowel sound. Yes, vowel sound. You know what a vowel? That is A, E, I, O, U. All these are vowels.
Yes.
Now, if I say, now in Hindi, what do you say? ये आप लोग पढ़ते हैं ना हिंदी में आ ई उ ए ओ
Yes, ma'am.
ये सब क्या है ये vowel sound. Okay, now whenever this kind of sound is there, you always use an. Apple, a. But if I say butter, b क्या है? क ख ग घ अंग च छ ज जो है ये आप लोग जो है ये कॉन्सोनेंट है, ये कॉन्सोनेंट है. हाँ, Yes.
Consonant.
These are consonants. So you don't use
Yes, ma'am.
an in front of these sounds. And you use in front of consonant, and you use in front of vowel sounds. Now all vowel sounds are having this kind of sound. K, a, e, u, e, o, ang. Now a, e, I, o, u. देख लीजिए आप. A can be a also, a also, or a also. All sound, all three types of sound can come. Now, children, Hindi is more scientific. Remember one thing: Hindi is very scientific. That is why you in vowel you have so many sounds. But English, they have used only five vowels: A, E, R. Now, A is having so many different sound. If you use and, it is sound as a. And how do you
Ma'am,
say?
also example apple.
Yes. Now, can you give me one example where you use a as a?
I'm honest.
नहीं, honest नहीं, a से start करिए. कोई भी word बोलिए जिसमें a की sound आती है.
Abandon. Ma'am, abandon.
Abandon, but it should be
Ma'am,
noun.
about.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
all.
Apple,
Amount. Ma'am, amount.
so apple also has got a sound.
Apple also.
Ma'am, article.
Anand, Anand. Ah,
Ma'am, Aradhya.
Aradhya. So can you differentiate now? Apple में a की आवाज आती है और आनंद में a की आवाज आती है. But all starts with a. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now all these sounds are
Yes,
a, e, I, o, u. सब में देख लीजिए आप हिंदी का.
Ma'am, in articles, sound coming a. Ma'am, articles.
हाँ, आर्टिकल्स में वही तो हम आपको बता रहे हैं. जितने भी आर्टिकल्स होते हैं उसमें हिंदी के जो आप लोग ये पढ़ते हैं ना, आ, ई, उ, ए, ओ, अंग, सारे साउंड आ जाते हैं ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू में. बट हिंदी में आपको अलग अलग वे में बताया गया है सब. इंग्लिश में एक ही वर्ड लेटर में बहुत सारे साउंड निकल सकते हैं. नाउ आई, ए, ई हैज गॉट ई. एग बोलते हैं तो ए की आवाज आती है. अब बोल रहे हैं ई, लिख रहे हैं ई, मगर साउंड क्या चीज की आ रही है? ए की आ रही है. बट स्टिल चिल्ड्रन, इट इज अ वावल साउंड. ए भी तो वावल साउंड है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
इसलिए ई भले ही ई से एग होता है मगर साउंड आती है वावल साउंड है ए की, तो इट विल ऑलवेज बी रिटन एज एन एग.
An.
Elephant, a. Again, a sound is there. Elephant, although it starts with e. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
और कोई एग्जाम्पल दीजिए ई से जिसमें डिफरेंट साउंड आ रही हो.
Energy.
ए की आ रही है उसमें भी.
मैम, एक्स्ट्रा.
Ma'am, Ishika.
इशिका नहीं है, वो ई से थोड़ी ना है.
I.
मैम, एक्स्ट्रा.
एक्स्ट्रा, एन एक्स्ट्रा शीट. ए, फिर ए ही आ रही है. ई की आवाज कहीं आती है? लिखते हैं आप ई से. इंजन. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड. ई से इंजन. ई, इंजन. ई की आवाज आई ना? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
मगर
Yes,
मगर ए
ma'am.
की भी आवाज आती है
मैम,
तब भी आपकी.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
ईंधन.
Now can you
Entry.
understand, children, how the same vowel is having different sounds?
Yes.
मगर हिंदी में आपके लिए सब वो अलग अलग दिए हुए हैं. इंग्लिश में आपके नहीं है. इंग्लिश में एक ही वावल से आप देखते हैं कि डिफरेंट साउंड आती है. आई, इंक, ई। अब आई से इंक लिखते हैं, INK, मगर बोलते हैं इंक, ई।
Yes, ma'am.
ई की आवाज आ रही है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इग्लू,
Iki.
ई आइडिया, आ की आवाज आ रही है। देखिए, आई से लिख रहे हैं, कभी ई की आवाज आती है, कभी आ की आवाज आती है।
Important.
इम्पोर्टेंट, ई। अब आप देख लीजिए, आई की तो आवाज आती ही नहीं है, क्योंकि आई किससे बना हुआ है? आ और ई,
और E.
और ई जोड़ के बना है, आई। नाउ ओ, ऑरेंज, ओ को बोलते हैं तो औ की आवाज आती है, ऑरेंज। ऑर्डर, ओ। ओट, ओ। और कोई?
Also.
An ostrich.
ऑस्ट्रिच, ओके। IOO
मैम ऊटी में ऊ.
O U। अब यू से बताइए, यू आप लिख रहे हैं,
मैम अम्ब्रेला.
Ma'am, umbrella.
साउंड कौन सी आ रही है? साउंड कौन सी आ रही है?
Ma'am,
मैम आ.
umbrella. Ma'am, uncle.
मैम उत्तर प्रदेश.
ऊ, उत्तर प्रदेश।
Yes, ma'am. Uncle. Uttar
And
Pradesh.
children,
Ugly.
Ma'am, uncle.
अगली, अच्छा अब बताइए, यू जब आप बोलते
Ma'am,
हैं तो
united.
वावल की साउंड आती है कि कॉन्सोनेंट की आती है?
मैम कौन?
Ma'am, vowel की.
कॉन्सोनेंट की साउंड।
मैम कॉन्सोनेंट की आती है.
यह तो आपका कॉन्सोनेंट है। क ख ग घ ङ च छ ज झ य ट ठ ड ढ ण त थ द ध न प फ व य र ल व श, य आया, यू, य
Ma'am, consonant किया.
साउंड है, मगर यू के संग, य के संग ऊ भी लगा हुआ है, यू। नाउ अब आपको हम एग्जाम्पल अभी जब करवाएंगे, व्हेन आई विल बी डूइंग द एक्सरसाइजेज, यू विल सी where it starts with a consonant but still treated. You will come to know that although it starts with a vowel, or the letter is written with a starting alphabet as vowel, but still it will be treated as a consonant because the consonant sound is coming. The vowel sound is not there. Let's do the exercise and then we will come to know. Okay, my father is honest. HONEST. H is a consonant.
An honest man. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
man.
मैम एन. मैम एन.
Very good. Who said
An
N?
honest होगा. Ma'am, A honest होगा.
No,
An होगा.
no, it will be an honest. An honest. Now you will ask why? Because it is starting with H. मगर
Yes, ma'am.
साउंड कौन सी आ रही है? साउंड कौन सी आ रही है? Honest.
मैम ओ.
Ma'am, honest.
Ma'am, vowel आ रहा है ma'am.
Wall की sound है. Honest. Now children, here H is silent. H is silent. आप honest नहीं बोलते हैं. Honest बोलते हैं. You don't say honest.
No, ma'am.
You say
मैम
honest.
ऑनेस्ट लिखते हैं. ऑनेस्ट
हाँ.
बोलते हैं.
H is silent there. So
Yes, ma'am. So,
आप honest बोलते हैं. That is why you will write an honest man. Or write in your book and सब लोग लिखिए. I want to see everyone writing.
लिख ली है.
And honest. Now he is very rich. Still he drives old.
मैम एन.
An old
मैम
man.
एन ओल्ड कार.
This is very simple. There is lake.
old car.
Last one. There is
मैम
lake.
अ लेक.
A lake. Would you like a cold drink?
अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक.
Yes. Yes, a cold
A
drink.
cold drink.
It was HOURR.
An.
Again, and. H is silent here. H is silent.
Yes, ma'am.
N are long audial. I am reading
An
An excellent book.
an excellent
It
book.
is about a scientist.
A scientist.
It's about a scientist.
मैम सेकंड का क्या होगा?
Huh? Which one?
का मैम सेकंड
An old car. देखिए एक बात बताते हैं आपको, जिसमें वावल साउंड आ रही है उसमें सब में एन लगेगा, सब में एन लगेगा, और जिसमें कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है उसमें सब में अ लगेगा. I am reading an excellent book.
मैम
Excellent.
सेकंड
Ma'am, it is about a scientist.
A scientist. Who
Yes,
needs
ma'am. A
an
scientist.
umbrella?
an umbrella. An
umbrella.
Then it's
Ma'am, it's a
delight.
it's a delight to sweat.
It's
A delight.
Now one. Anyone.
Ma'am, one-eyed.
Very good. One-eyed. Why?
Ma'am, because the sound is not coming from vowels.
Yes, the vowel sound is not coming. Work here.
Yes, ma'am.
One. One.
Yes, ma'am, worky, one.
हिंदी में लिखेंगे तो कैसे लिखेंगे? One.
Ma'am, wana.
And va is not a vowel.
Vowel.
It's a consonant.
Ma'am, it's consonant.
हाँ. तो आप लिखेंगे a one-eyed man is not eligible to get a driving license.
Or driving.
A driving license.
Of all the shopping you have done, I see only this book as
Ma'am, are useful because sound not coming from vowel.
very good.
Ma'am,
You-
useful. You.
आवाज आ रही है. Yeah. आपने देखा है कि यहाँ पर कि अम्ब्रेला में अ की आवाज आ रही है, इसलिए वो एन लगा, मगर यूजफुल में य की आवाज आ रही है तो उसमें अ लगेगा, ए लगेगा, नॉट एन.
Yes.
Dan is
And European. Ma'am, because sound coming you. Ma'am, sound coming you.
yes.
Ma'am, not from
European.
vowel.
European. You don't say European. European नहीं बोलते हैं. European. So it's a sound. That is why it will be a. Dan is a European settled in India. Now see, they have given you, told you about a and an. The choice between a and an is determined by the initial sound. Initial माने पहली sound of the word which they are placed. A is used before the beginning of a beginning with a consonant sound. A boy, a lake, a European. Now see in the book they have explained. देखिए European में य, ऊ आवाज आ रही है. A one-eyed, w, w, वो वाली आवाज आ रही है. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. An egg, an umbrella, an honest man. Although it is starting with a consonant, but the sound coming is vowel sound. That is why.
Ma'am,
you
because
use-
H is not pronounced.
Yes, it is silent. H is silent. So
Ma'am, it
we
is
say
you.
honest. Yes. Now let's do worksheet 3. I hope everyone is doing. I can ask you to show me your book also. Any child I can take the
Okay,
name
ma'am,
and
complete it.
ask you to show me your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Deepshika, show your book.
Yes.
Deepshika, show your book. Show it like this. Like this, you show me. देखिए दीपशिका बंद हो गई. Yes, everyone should be doing it. Okay, next one. Worksheet 3. Deepshika, are you writing? केवल बैठ के सुनना नहीं है आपको, आपको लिखते भी जाना है. Write the correct article a or an in the following blank. Now, I have already told you children how to do it. Will you be able to do it this worksheet 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is very easy.
Okay. Then this will be your homework. This will be your homework. In the next class, I'll check
Okay,
with you.
ma'am.
Okay. Now
Okay,
let's do
ma'am.
worksheet 4. Match the column A with column B to the understanding of the use the. Now the has got different uses. Please don't talk. Mute yourself. Ayush Pal, mute yourself. Rishi Raj, mute yourself.
Yes.
All of you mute yourself quickly. Okay, now match column A with column B. The man with a golden pen. Now the man with a golden pen. Whom are we talking about? The particular person who is having a golden pen. Now here, can you find out which will go with this?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
answer is when we particularize the person or
Person
thing.
or a thing. Now you match it. Children, draw a line from the man with a golden pen to when we particularize a person or a thing. Line खींच दीजिए वहां से वहां. Okay. I bought a book. The book is about ghost.
Ma'am, answer
Last one.
when we have talked about a person or a
very
thing
good.
before.
Last one. So draw a line from that second sentence to the last one. Match it. They are saying match the column. Now, the United States of India. Sorry, America. Sorry. Before the name of a
Before, yes, ma'am, before the name of country that includes a common noun. Ma'am, last second.
Yes.
Ma'am, last second.
Second last, not last second. Second last.
Second last.
The president. The president.
When a process is unique, so we understand who what we
When a
are.
person thing is unique, understand.
When a person
Ma'am, when a person thing is unique, so we understand who, what are talking about.
Yes.
we are talking about.
President. The
Ma'am,
Brahmaputra.
second.
The Brahmaputra. Before the name of a river.
Before the name of a
Before the
river.
name of a river.
The Himalayas. Before the name of the mountain range.
Range.
All of you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay, now worksheet 5. Worksheet 5. Now read the sentence 1 to 5 and name it. आपने यहाँ पर 1 to 5 देखिए क्या लिखा है. When a person or thing is particularized, when we have talked about a person or thing before, when the person or thing is unique, for countries whose name include the common noun, for rivers or ranges of the mountain. The Kaziranga sanctuary is in Assam. Kaziranga sanctuary is in Assam. When the person thing is unique, when we have particularized a person or thing, क्या आएगा? बताइए कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में से.
Ma'am, 3 number.
When the person or thing is unique, very good. 3. The sun rises in the east.
Ma'am, 3.
I'm three.
3, okay. He has invited us to his party. The party will be on the houseboat.
Ma'am, 2.
When we have talked or
Ma'am,
think
two.
about,
When we
yes,
talk
2.
about a person or a thing before.
I visited the lady who looks like the looks after the orphanage.
Ma'am, 1.
One.
It is about
Particularized,
person.
yes, 1. The air in the mountains is refreshing.
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, five.
Ma'am,
5 नहीं
1.
होगा.
Ma'am, then.
Ma'am,
First one.
Ma'am,
One.
yes, ma'am, 1.
We plan to climb the Himalayas. 5.
Ma'am, 5.
Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1.
1. The daughter of the king married a pauper.
Ma'am, 1. 1.
One.
The priest is the head of the village.
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3.
three.
Ma'am, 3 because it is about when a person or a thing is unique.
Eldest born the
No,
He
not
is the
unique.
village community, the head of the village community.
Okay. Now Glenda has gone to the United States. For countries,
Ma'am, 4.
four.
Ma'am, four.
Four.
Ma'am, 4.
Okay. Now read
मैम
God's
आपने
job in the
फिफ्थ में
unit
क्या बोला
and
था?
write down sentences in which the article the has been used. Now this you can do, children, from your reader. They have mentioned that you have to open section C, 7th one, and write down the sentences in which the article the has been used. That you can do from the reader. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
So this also will be your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Now worksheet 6. Read the sentences given below and put a tick against the one which have the article. Now, Rohan loves the food. Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. Now, first one is wrong. Rohan loves food. You cannot say the food. But this is correct. Rohan loves the food which his granny cooks. Now, he is talking about the particular food which his granny
Yes,
cooks.
ma'am.
He loves that. Now, second one.
Yes. ma'am.
The children were playing in the center of the park. The children were playing in the center of the park. Which one is correct?
Ma'am, ma'am, second B is correct.
Second.
B is correct.
Yes, ma'am, second is
So you
is
put a
correct.
cross first and second one will be ticked. Megha will be going to United Kingdom to visit her aunt. Now this is wrong because it should be the
Yes, ma'am.
United Kingdom. So the next
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
correct.
Ma'am, because ma'am, United Kingdom, we are referring to a particular place.
Yes.
Right.
And second one. The
Or
United
countries whose
Kingdom.
name include the common noun. Yes. Now, yesterday I met Prime Minister of India. Now, this person.
Ma'am, wrong.
Ma'am, second.
Yes.
The Prime Minister.
Yes, it should
Yesterday
be the
I
Prime
meet
Minister.
the Prime
So the
Minister.
second one will be correct. The Himalayas are to the north of India. Or Himalayas are to
I'm
the north.
Correct.
First.
Ma'am, this is correct.
First is correct.
Yes, first one is correct, second one is wrong. Anurag is the boy who has won the championship. Again,
Ma'am, correct.
first one
Ma'am,
is
this is
correct
correct.
and second one is wrong.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, worksheet 7. Hi, I have just come back from an exciting vacation
Exciting vacation.
in Belgaum. The city.
Ma'am, the city.
The city. Why? Because we are talking about Belgaum.
Changed
The
a
city
lot.
has changed a lot
A lot.
A lot.
Ma'am, a lot in the.
in the years.
In the recent
In
year.
the.
Okay, there are a lot
of.
of things in the center.
Ma'am,
In
the
the
center of the
city.
city.
Of
Ma'am,
the
the
city.
center of the city.
I don't
I
like,
don't like the new building.
still I feel fascinated. I have been to Belgaum before also and I visited
The places.
The
places
places.
I know.
The places.
Even these have changed.
The old fort.
The old
The
fort
old
in
fort.
the
In
south
the south.
of
the
the
south
city
of
has been rebuilt. There are now a lot of fast food joints near the
Central Market.
The central.
near the central market.
Market.
Deepshika is not writing anything. I can see. Not writing anything. However, despite all modernization, Belgaum's natural beauty is still intact. There are lots of forest and parks. You can escape from the city
The city.
In the city.
And the city.
and feel you are in
In the
Oh,
In